Honestly speaking, when we were discussing about the trend reversal possibility yesterday on the 15-minute chart, I did not expect the recovery to be so strong. Because in our previous videos also we have discussed that this is not a trend reversal, this is just a correction or retracement because still we do not have the backing of the fundamental factors. And yes, we guessed it right. We can see that market is trying to continue the upside again. So hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. A disclaimer first that this video is going to be a little complicated because many things are going on right now. So please watch the video when you are free. And this is gold. So obviously, if you are a patient of high blood pressure, anxiety, then you should avoid trading right now because market is going to be crazy for the next couple of days, weeks. So you need to be extra careful. And stop losses are extremely important because market is very volatile right now and you need to stay in touch with the news. Because in this type of situation, market is very sensitive to news. Okay, one news and you will see the spike on gold dollar again. Okay, those who have started trading in the year 2021, they can understand okay what is about to happen because they have seen the impact of the Russia and Ukraine war. But those who started trading recently in last few months, they will not know or they will not understand what sort of impact we are going to witness or what sort of uncertainty we are about to witness. So you need to be careful. Okay. Let's look at the economy Canada first. This is the NFP week, so Friday will be important. But yes, before Friday also we have news every day. Today we have ADP, NFP coming up. ADP, NFP is not a major event, so we can expect the market will be volatile for 30 to 40 minutes. That's it. Okay, after that, market will be taking the normal course again. And if you look at the market sentiment, gold rises over 1% as conflicts in Middle East escalates. Middle East concerns trigger gold and oil prices rally. Gold trading higher as Israel, or not Israel, Iran launches missile strikes on Israel. Gold prices rose mid-afternoon on Tuesday on safe haven buying as Iran launched missile attacks on Israel in a revenge strike following Israel's assassination. Hezbollah leader Hassan Nasrallah and other senior leaders of the militia group Iran back. So this is the market right now. Market is very sensitive, and whenever there is a crisis in the market, not in the market, crisis globally, okay, gold always goes up. So if any news comes out, forget about resistance. You just need to be on the buy position because gold will rally and nobody knows how long the rally will continue. Because market will respond, because see, the logic is simple. Whenever there is a tension or crisis globally, then what people do is they take out their money from other investments, riskier investments, and they look for safe investments like gold, like US dollar. That's why whenever there is a crisis globally, you always see gold and dollar going up at the same time. So here also you need to be careful. Stay in touch with the news. Any news will make gold fly again and you need to just sit on the buy. And if something happens, then do not try to scalp because that will be a bad decision. You just need to be a swing trader, be on the buy for the next couple of days and weeks. Okay, but right now, okay, that situation has not come yet. Okay, so let's look at the trading opportunities for the day. You can see that I have drawn many lines here. Okay, let's try to understand one by one. So those who are having a buy right now, okay, obviously you need to continue because of the ongoing market sentiment. Further upside is possible. Okay, if any news comes out, then obviously sky is the limit. Okay, and if you're stuck on a sell position right now, then obviously you need to be very careful. If gold breaks or crosses this particular area, 2674 area, you need to exit from your sell position. Otherwise, there is a fear that you will lose your whole capital. Okay, those who are on buy continue, those who are on sell try to exit if market breaks 2674 area. Clear? Now those who are looking for fresh position in the market, so you need to respect the ongoing situation, ongoing trend, market sentiment, and it's better for us to be on buy only. So today, if you see market coming down, market is going down, then we can look for buy around two areas, 2649, 2650 area, and then sorry, 2643. These are the two levels on the chart of gold where we can look for buy if market takes support. Yes, if market takes support, we can look for a buy, because see, this is also an NFP week. We also need to keep in mind, and the geopolitical tension is going on for the for many weeks. Okay, so during not during, okay, before a major event like NFP, market prefers to stay sideways. That is also we cannot forget. Okay, so things are very critical. That's why I said that if you're a patient of anxiety, high blood pressure, you should not trade right now. Okay, so if market takes up around 264950, 2642 area, then we can look for a buy position. Why we are considering this these areas? Okay, let me show you. So we are using FIBO, obviously. Okay, we have drawn FIBO. So you can see that we have FIBO 50% and FIBO 61.8% on these two levels. But FIBO is not the only reason. You can see we also have the previous support 50 moving average around this area. And around 2643 area, we have the 200 moving average. And after a long time, okay, I am here with a trend line. So we have a dynamic support as well around 2643, 2640 area. So if market takes support according to expectation, we can look for a buy, because if market shows sudden volatility and if you see that there's a big red candle, then obviously we need to avoid it. Okay, because market is crazy right now. And see, loss is a part of the game. So being wrong is a small mistake, but staying wrong is a big mistake. So if your position goes against you also, that if you see that after 40-50 pips, the trade has no hope, okay, it is going in the opposite direction, then you need to exit, because sometimes what we do is that we fail to exit at the right time and ultimately it becomes disastrous. Okay, so if market takes support, we can look for a buy at retracement, as the market sentiment is bullish right now. During the US session, if something happens and if any news comes out, try to follow the trend of the market. Technicals will not fall, because these levels are not very strong. Okay, because earlier also we have discussed that 2600 is the ultimate support on the chart of gold right now. Okay, and 2600 is far away, so let's not talk about it. And because of any news, if we see gold going up again, yes, high, there is a high possibility. If something happens, okay, on the Middle East again, then we will see gold shooting up again. And in that case, we can look for a buy above 2674. If you see that there's a big green, not, yeah, big green candle on the chart, market is bullish again like this, okay, then obviously you need to be on the buy. And I think this, if market goes up because of any news, then the previous high of 2685 also will not fall. And what you can do is you can continue with the buy position, because any direction, okay, any direction given by the fundamental will continue. So stay in touch with the news. That is the most important thing right now. Okay. See, while recording the video, okay, I'm recording the video in the Asian session. So right now the market sentiment is bullish. There's a global uncertainty. So we are respecting the trend of the market and looking for buy positions only. But during the day, okay, if you see the market sentiment is changing again during the US session, then obviously you can take a direction according to the market situation. But yes, you need to be careful. Okay, and that's all. That's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. So buy at retracement or buy at breakout strategy is back again. So let's wait and watch. Bye bye. Take care.